The ghastly incident what took place here, government should be ashamed of. This is the third incident what took place within a span of 3 months. Every year, I would not say that railway accidents have just spurred within these 3 months. But the fact is, right since 2010 or so, I've been active in politics. And since then, right since 2009, I've myself gone there to visit at least on 3 or 4 occasions. Even if that schedule were to be right, the fact seems to be that every year you have at least 1 or 2 such incidents taking place. The fact that this has increased now in the past 3 months, where 3 incidents have taken place. But what are we doing to restrict these things? Every time there is an incident what takes place, people like us who are in opposition, we come here, we see, inspect the site, we make statements, we request the government to take corrective measures. Government also, once in a while, I see in the newspapers that government responds and says that they're going to do something about it, they're going to increase the budget on safety standards, and so on and so forth. But what is the end result? If today going in a train becomes a safety hazard, today if somebody boards the train, if somebody is not confident that they would reach the destination safely, then why the hell or what the hell are we doing? And 3 months, 3 incidents. I think this is something what government should seriously focus on and really do things, not only do things but also showcase things that they have done something about it.
So do you think there is a sabotage angle to it? I mean, do you think there is an outside
railway inquiry is going on. I was told by the DGM there, I met those railway officials there. They're not confirming anything, but they're not ruling out either. They're not ruling out either, but they're not confirming anything. But whatever said and done, whether it is a sabotage angle by the terrorists, or if it is an angle where railway ministry is to be found fault with, either which way, the passenger who's sitting in the train is not confident of reaching the destination safely. This is something what government should seriously consider, and government should seriously put in effort to once again rebuild confidence in these people. These safety budgets of nominal amounts, I think people in the railway ministry should be done with, and they've got to come out with solid measures, even if it involves huge amounts of money.
So one last question, sir. While people appreciate popular leaders like you coming to the location like this, officials are claiming that it affects the evidence that the investigation agencies are presently collecting.
See, I don't understand what evidence is there that would be affected. I don't understand. See, when especially people like, in fact, I'm surprised that the Chief Minister did not come here. In fact, the first person who should have come here should have been the Chief Minister, especially when somebody is talking about a sabotage angle, and especially when somebody is talking about a sabotage angle, it is the duty of the Chief Minister who should have come here. He should have come here, he should have given confidence to the people who passed away. How long does it take for the Chief Minister to take a chopper and come here? He should have come here, and especially if it's a chopper, he should have spoken to the officials. He should have come here, seen the track, spoken to the officials. He should have given confidence to the people, confidence to the victims. The Chief Minister himself does not give such kind of confidence. Who is to believe in these inquiries? What is the seriousness of these inquiries? Who is going to be believed? How would anybody have any confidence that these inquiries would be going on in the manner that they should be going on if there is no seriousness even at least being in a position, at least being. We do not have choppers like chickens all the way from coming down from that place to this place. It takes one whole day. In spite of that, we come here for two reasons. One, only if we come here, this issue would be highlighted enough that inquiry would proceed in the manner that it should be proceeded. Number one. Number two, the victims who will be deceased, victims who passed away. What is the compensation that you give? Central government is given escalation. State government is announced 5 lakhs. What is this? Where women not doing anything for such a ghastly incident? People can wash away their hands by giving 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. We are demanding that their confidence should really come back. The government accepts their failure and duly compensates for their failure. Here the fact is the government is reluctant to accept their failure, or it's also reluctant to give adequate compensation to people who pass away. This is not right. So these kind of issues are only highlighted. Only people like us come here, highlight these issues, and insist that such things be done. Especially people like us. I'm astonished that Chief Minister did not come out.